Hi, and I'm Logan Hamilton from Adopt a Kitty Foundation. Take a look at the variety of kitties we have. Please sponsor now. Call 1-800-545-7714 for more details. Take a look.
We have normal kitties in a box. Does not come with the box. Kitties wanting to get out of a room after videotaping them for a half an hour. And kitties talking on a phone. Say hello to Grandma. Those folks are just some of the cats we have. Please call today. It's toll free. Thanks and have a nice day. Brought to you by Skittles, the flavorful candy that tastes like shit.